Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to take another look at the Google Pixel 3a. So I've had this device for just about 2 months now, and I kind of just wanted to give a quick update on how it's held up since day one. And I can say it's actually held up pretty good. I've done a pretty good job at taking care of it. Try not to get any scratches on the display since it isn't Gorilla Glass, so it will scratch just a bit easier, so just keep that in mind. But as far as the rest of the build, being plastic has actually had its advantages. I have dropped it a couple of times, and by it having that plastic build, it's not cracked and still looks good. But aside from looks, performance has been great. It's like I said in my original review. This isn't going to be the fastest device out there, and it's not the fastest device out there. It is a mid-range device, but just because it's not blazing fast doesn't mean that it lags, because it does not lag one bit. Google did a really good job with the software here, giving the Pixel 3a nice smooth performance that can handle some good and pretty heavy usage. It still makes it through the day easily with its 3000 milliamp battery, so whether I've been using my phone lightly one day and heavy the next, I never have to worry about throwing it on the charger until I go to bed at night, which is actually pretty impressive. And even some days it actually lasts until the next day, so that's actually pretty great battery performance. So if you've been kind of iffy about getting this device because of battery life, well, there you go. Now when it comes to the camera, not much has changed since day one. It's still one of the best in the game. Even though this is a mid-range device, like I said earlier, it's all about software. Pictures come out crisp and clear, especially when taking portraits. It does a really great job. You just can't go wrong. Now, I have done a video test with this phone, so if you want to check that out, I will make sure to leave a link down in the description below. But yeah, so far, the device has been holding up like a champ. Like I said, for a mid-range device, it performs great. And I'm really glad Google brought back the headphone jack with this one, because it does come in handy, and I still get to use my high-quality wired earphones. So if you're someone who has been holding off on getting this phone because you weren't sure how well it's going to hold up over time, I hope this video was able to help out just a little bit. Like I said, it's been 2 months and still performs like brand new. Great performance, great battery life, and amazing cameras, all for a low mid-range price. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comments sections below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.